Blagoslovljena ti među ženama i blagoslovljen plod utrobe tvoje, Isus.
No photo, no flash.
Ze światłem nie robić. чтобы дано незнатно службенице Своje, obsečeného Syna našej zlaty blaženo, jer velika.
This brief time, I would like to draw closer to you this tonight's meeting with Our Lady. It's very difficult to express and describe everything because there are no such words in today's world. To be able to describe this meeting and the beauty of Our Lady herself. Also today Our Lady came to us very joyful and happy as she greeted all of us with her motherly greeting. Praise be Jesus, my dear children. Then with her arms extended over all of us for a longer time, she prayed in her Aramaic language over all of us, especially prayed over you who are sick present here. Then Our Lady, for a long time, prayed for peace, peace in the world. Then she gave to all of us her motherly blessing, and she blessed everything that you had brought to be blessed. As always, also tonight I recommend all of you, your needs, your intentions, your families, in a special way. All of you who are present here who are sick, then Our Lady for a while, in a special way, continue to pray over all of us. And she left in that prayer in the luminous sign of the cross with the greeting, go in peace, my dear children. I would especially like to emphasize that Our Lady for a longer time especially prayed for peace in the world.
También si hay personas interesadas en peregrinar con nosotros, un retiro espiritual guiado por un sacerdote y guiado por la escuela